Hello and welcome to our microwavable edition of Will It Mow?
Nobody knows!
Right, this time we got some sweet and sour chicken, we got some fish pie, we got a cheeseburger, we got some lasagna, and we got some sausage and mash.
Let's start with our microwave burger. Oh, get out.
Throwing the fish pie.
It's not to cool down.
No, you can cool that down.
Okay. Start the fans, please.
Oh, you'll be straight in the face. Yummy. Next up, Chinese.
How hot?
This is hot.
I'm actually really worried.
Start the fans, please. My leg burned instantly.
And next, we got some fish pie.
Yeah.
Mmm, tasty. It's bubbling.
Start the fans, please.
Straight in the face. I got a bit of fish pie on my arm. Oh, that was fish pie?
Yeah, that was fish pie.
It's not fishy.
Look at that.
Oh.
On the outside.
We're going to need a new mower soon. Time for some lovely looking lasagna. Oh, it's pretty tasty still. So here we've got our lasagna. Let's hope for the best.
Start the fans, please.
Oh, that's so hot.
The next one is sausage and mash.
Yeah. Harry!
Sausage and mash. Oh Jesus, that's hot. Start the fans, please.
Oh, mash! Oh.
No, I got hit with the mash.
Thanks for watching part 1 of our microwave edition. Stay tuned for part 2 of Will It Mow? Nobody knows!